Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Let's dive into the great history of symbolic Agra fort built by 4 great generations of Mughal emperors. The foundation of these great historical monuments began with the vision of the 3rd great Mughal emperor Akbar and was continued by the next 3 generations of Akbar, which included Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. This broadcast will be presented by youth students of YPS Patiala, which includes Aradhya Verma, Inayat Bansal, Mannat J. Kaur, Maisha Arora and Rubani Bhutani.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Welcome to all the curious listeners and travelers. I, Mannat J. Kaur, is going to present a peek into the history of the majestic Agra fort. This eye-catching fort, constructed of red sandstone, including some part of Makrana marble, brought especially from Rajasthan for Shah Jahan. The journey of Agra fort began when we walked through the Amar Singh gate. We had a proud moment of the great Mughal emperors. Then we entered the Jahangiri Mahal. In front of it was a marble pool which was said to be filled with the fragrance of different flowers so that the emperors could bathe in the scented water. Reliant of Anguri Bagh, which is oppositely faced by palki-shaped domes of Jahanara and Roshanara, the 2 daughters of Shah Jahan. The soil for Anguri Bagh was brought from Kashmir by Jahangir because the soil already present there was not very fertile to grow grapes for Jahangir to make alcohol. Then our guide told us about the Diwan-e-Aam, which was a court for solving problem of common people by the king. Further, we explored the special Diwan-e-Khas, which was the court in which the political issues were discussed with the emperor along with his 9 ministers, also known as Navratans. Afterwards, our guide showed us the Musamman Burj. It was a double-storied tower which provided a clear view of Taj Mahal. This was the very place where Shah Jahan passed away, for he was imprisoned by his very own son, Aurangzeb, for 8 years. Before dying, he did not leave the path of spiritualness. Thus, he was given the Mina Masjid, where he read the sacred book of Muslims.
Now, we end by remarking the inexhaustible efforts of the Mughal emperors. We, as students of Yadavindra Public School, Patiala, found it very amusing and it ignited our minds with architecture, rich heritage, and of course their culture. We won't take much of your time as you have to leave to pack your bags and explore for the rich history of Agra Fort. Hope this experience of Agra Fort will motivate you to travel more. Lastly, we thank and are very grateful to our wonderful teachers and EdTerra Adventures for this wonderful opportunity.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.